Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize icons in Realme 14 Pro phone. First of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings, we're looking for wallpaper and style. Then we need to scroll down to icons. And here we have a few things that we can change. For example, we have the style of icons, as you can see here, with the option to download more, of course. We have the Art Plus option. We can enable or disable the switch right here, and we have the option to make them bigger or smaller using this slider. We can have invisible or visible icons names, and we can also increase the names under the app icons. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you, and goodbye.